tornado warning. Ongoing until Wednesday, May 10th, 6 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sheridan, Kansas. Decatur, Kansas. National Weather Service, Goodland. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Sheridan and southeastern Decatur counties. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Selden, or 15 miles south of Oberlin, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. At 5:31 p.m. Central Time, a tornado was reported northeast of Selden. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Dresden around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Jennings around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Canona and Leoville. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.